Yeah,
What the heck? You trolled me!
What? Oh my god, why am I slow? Why am I so slow? Like, bro, did it just troll me? Bro, I failed because of slowness. Bruh. Let's just redo the whole thing, I guess. I guess so.
May vlog ka rin?
Yeah.
Your imaginary is not good
Bro, could we keep the white dress? I like it. We're just gonna skip that. Oh my god, I'm so cute. Hey, uncle, look, I'm so cute.
Yeah. I'm
La, la,
not
la.
good at English, but I will try my best.
Oh, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Wait for me, wait for me. Did you change your skirt? I never
Ano
know.
sabi niya sa'yo, man?
I love this.
English only.
Ayan, practice ka na. Ito kasi naka-online.
Kasi kailangan marinig yung whole thing. Okay, let's skip this. I don't like the hair, by the way. I don't wanna change my hair. I like it.
Hindi ka
Uncle!
mag-joke niya?
Kali ka sa amin na, di ba tol? Nagbe-makeup ka.
Yeah. Yeah, look at the face. It's so cute, you know?
She's so troller.
Why? How can we ever pass this, bro? Wait, wait, wait.
Sabi sila kasi naka-open message yan si Shani.
Yeah.
I didn't know what to do.
I don't know what to do either. She's a little old troller.
I don't know what to do whenever you are near.
How did you ever? I don't know. I don't know what's in the end either. It's not fair. That trolling should be banned right now, bro.
Yes.
Trolling is very bad. You can hurt someone's feelings.
Yes.
So, hindi mo na ako tatawa ako sa tito mo panagis.
What do you want me to say?
Yeah. What could he ever say about yes? What's so
Yes.
wrong about that?
Emotion. Oh,
Wow.
troll.
She's so good at trolling. It could make me rage bait. I purchased the.
Are you making me rage?
No, I purchased the admin here. I purchased this. I literally bro, I purchased admin here, but it's not forever. It can't not use it. So good at trolling. So good. I'm just gonna report her instead. That could be
Me too.
little. Yeah, what's her name actually?
I don't know.
What's her name? What's her name? What's her name? Bro, her name is Jacob. That's a weird name. Report her. She's bullying. That's bro, that's the problem. Of course. Why not?
Namatay ako.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Let's just change my language into Japanese. That's literally my favorite. That's literally my favorite, bro. Like, kurente pare. Bro, no. But how can we ever pass this? She's so cheater. Look, that's not fair. See? How could we ever end this? Wait. Still doesn't. Hey, that's not fair. That's not fair for the other players. Bruh. Seriously? Please, no! No! We almost made it! That's not fair!
I don't want to play this game.
Yeah, guys, we're just gonna do a part 2 if this video gets 500 likes. That will be impossible. We're never gonna do a part 2. This is just so unfair.